Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you an awesome way you can stretch your shoulders by using the rings. So what you're going to do is grab on with both hands and then just walk yourself out in front like this and bend over a little bit and then put a bit of pressure on and see what that feels like. If it feels okay, take a few steps back and then just let your arms take a bit of the weight. From there, you can turn your hands all the way around like that and back in. Squeeze your shoulder blades together a bit more and turn around again, and you'll get this nice stretch along your bicep and your pecs as well. So it's really good for your shoulder extension, which is very important for things like ring dips, just overall shoulder health in general. If you miss out training this position, you can end up with some really cranky shoulders, so it's a really good thing to do. To increase the stretch a little bit more, you just bend your knees and bring yourself down a little bit more. If it still feels okay, then you just walk yourself back and you start increasing that angle of how far your shoulders are going this way. So if you've ever seen something called a skin the cat on the rings, which is whenever you go all the way around, it's from here like this, and bring yourself right the way around. It's very, very important that you can cope with that stress on the shoulder before just jumping into that movement, because you're going to put a lot of strain on all those little bits that get pissed off very easily. So something to work on before you do that. To get the full benefits of this, I would say to do it for a full 5 minutes. Just hang out in that position and just toy around and see what different angles feel like. There's no right or wrong with this. Just see how your shoulders feel whenever you're doing it, and you're going to feel it pretty awesome after that. So full 5 minutes and then go on about your day.